Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jess. If you're new, hi, I'm Jess. Today I'm inspired to play with this new pretty palette by BYS. It's the new Glisten eyeshadow palette. I picked it up from Kmart for about $10. As you can see, I've done my base. I haven't got anything on my eyeballs. We're going to play with this. Now there's 12 shadows and the rest are the glitter creams, which I already know aren't that good. So yeah, we're gonna dive right on in. Let's get started, shall we? BYS is dropping like all sorts of new palettes at the moment. I think they're bringing out a berries collection and I'm waiting to get it Kmart. That'll be exciting. So that's why I thought I'd play with this little pretty thing. Don't know what kind of look I'm going for. There's no mattes in it by the looks of it. I don't think. Oh, maybe a couple of mattes. But there's some of the swatches. Like, look how pretty that is. I've already primed my eyes. I'm going to take a BYS fluffy brush. I need a mirror. Alright. I have to use this highlighter as my mirror. You know, I think I'm going to take that pretty colour through my crease because there's not really like natural transition shades in this palette, but look how much that picked up. Like, she's powdery but pigmented by the looks of it. Let's hope she works well on the eyes. Ooh. I hope you guys are picking it up on camera. It almost reminds me of that periwinkle lilac shade from the Norvina palette. That's pretty. That's really pretty. Fluff it through my crease. Blending out well. Yeah, you guys can see that. That's really pretty. Blends out really easily and not patchy at all. Not bad for a drugstore purple. A little bit of that colour. See how that works to deepen up the crease. Picks up well. So they're not matte, but they're not coming up like as overly shimmery on the eye, which is good because I've got hooded eyes and we don't want shimmer in the hood. That's a really pretty purple to deepen up. That's lovely. The BYS nude palette. This is just the one in the limited edition packaging, but I'm pretty sure like they still have it just in other packaging. And I'm gonna take, there's a kind of like a cool tone look, maybe. I think you're called NYC. That shade right there. Get some dimension. On the colour. I probably won't even add that much to the look, but it will just like help the crease line a bit, a little bit. The crease line bit a little bit. Great English me. So they've blended out really nicely. I think I'm going to leave it at that and then put a shimmer on the lid. What colour? There's like so many pretty options in this palette. You think will look good? Maybe that one. Okay, so I wet the brush. I always wet the brush anyway, like I think shimmers work best that way. That's really pretty. It's very iridescent purple, I like it. Oh yeah, okay, so the shimmers, it's best to use your finger basically. They're really smooth, they're not chunky. So I did my liquid liner and mascara off camera. I suck at liquid liner, so we're going to pretend that they're even. This eye is a better eye. But I tried the new Australis, what are we called? Make Me Matte liquid liner. I actually really like the formula. I quite like it. It's very pigmented, very black. Black as my soul. Really. But yeah. Inner corner highlight and brow bone highlight, I think. I think maybe brow bone for that one. They're a little bit chalky. Some are a little bit chalky, others aren't. So this is the finished look. I actually really like how the eyeshadows are applied. They're not patchy, they're not chalky. Some are a little bit soft, like powdery, but they blend out really well. The lipstick I applied is this one by Designer Brands by DB. I'm not sure of the shade though because the colour's rubbed off. So I thought it went well with this kind of purpley look. If you're looking for an affordable Kmart palette, this one's pretty good. It's got some fun colours like that you might want to add to your collection. It's only $10. The pigment is definitely there. They blend out well. So yeah, overall a really good palette by BYS, but BYS always generally does really good palettes in my opinion. But yeah, the little cream glitters are not that good. But if you want like a more kind of colourful palette, I recommend this one. Alright guys, if you like these kind of videos, do subscribe to a small YouTuber. That always helps me out a lot. And give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye!